What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to this episode of Restorations with Vic. For today's video, we got these all white Air Force One lows that we're gonna be customizing into a Dior theme. This project's gonna be super special because we're gonna get my good friend Jim involved. Jim and my other friend Derek were some of the guys that got me into customizing and restoring back in 2013. Jim is gonna go in and do a lot of sewing on the uppers of the shoe, and at the end of the video, we're gonna give these shoes away, so stay tuned on how you can win them. We got a lot of fun work ahead of us, so let's get started. Alright guys, we made it back to my studio. I just got these back from my good friend Jim. He did an amazing job with this custom. All around the stitch work is pretty much perfect. It looks factory. I couldn't be happier with this custom. While I was over there, he actually taught me the ropes on how to use the machine. I went ahead and bought the exact same machine he has. I can't wait to use it on future projects. Stay tuned for that, you guys. Again, shout out to my good friend Jim. You can follow him on Instagram at perseverance.customs or hit him up on his website at www.perseverance.com. Let's get back to this custom. The next thing we're gonna do, you guys, is lay down some Dior stencils on the back tabs of these shoes. This custom's pretty much wrapped up, but it needs a final detail. The first thing we gotta do is hit it with some acetone and cotton balls to get it all prepped. Back tabs are fully prepped, ready to go. Now we're gonna grab our Dior stencils and simply lay them down on the back so we can lay down our paint. Stencils laid down, we also got the shoe all taped up and paper toweled up. Let's go ahead and lay down our paint using my airbrush and some navy blue paint. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for this Dior custom. Jim did the majority of this work. Again, to emphasize, his work came out top notch. All the stitching all around, it came out literally perfect. I had to go in and add this detail to wrap up this custom, the Dior on back of both shoes. I am super happy on how these turned out, you guys. I know I mentioned I was gonna give these shoes away in the beginning of the video, so I'll give you guys those details in just a second. Right now, I wanna give you guys some exciting news. We are coming up on one of the biggest days in Reshoevn8tion history. On August 8, 2020, it is Reshoevn8tion Day. It also is the anniversary of our company. Reshoevn8tion is turning 10 years old, so we wanted to do something completely different that we've never done before. We are hosting an all-day Reshoevn8tion Day digital experience in partnership with SneakerCon and Many Worlds. We'll also be revealing the grand opening of Many Worlds Sneaker Boutique and Reshoevn8tion Sneaker Laundry drop-off service in Phoenix. Throughout the day, we'll be doing some crazy giveaways of my old custom sneakers, crazy heat from Many Worlds inventory, and boatloads of Reshoevn8tion gift cards. We'll also be featuring panels with some of my favorite customizers, such as Malcolm Garrett, John Manalo, and Chad Cancolor. We'll even have a discussion panel with some of our favorite influencers like Harrison Neville. You'll even have the chance to learn more about me as I answer 88 on-the-spot questions. There's just so much going on in Reshoevn8tion Day, you'll have to tune in and find out what's going on. So mark your calendars for August 8th and tune in at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time right here on YouTube Live, because we're gonna be doing so many giveaways. Now, I haven't forgotten about this giveaway right here. The rules to enter for a chance to win these is super simple. All you simply gotta do is comment the word Dior down in the comment section below as many times as you want. Follow at Vick Almighty and at Perseverance Customs on Instagram. The rules are super simple, you guys. Good luck. On August 6th, 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time with Johnny Bubbles, we'll announce the winner. Make sure to tune in because we'll also have another special announcement for you guys. This is Vick Almighty. I'll catch you guys next Monday.